Captain Chris Crunch, with a twinkle in his eye, sails the open seas, a seagull swing high. Taylor the sailor, his partner in crime, they hunt for treasure, both fantastical and prime. The crew are sea dogs, with tails and a bark. They steer the ship through water so dark. Dogs dressed as pirates, a peculiar sight. They bring the fight under moonlit nights. Gold is sweet, but berries are finer. Their fruity meat is much diviner. We eat until we are buried alive. The secrets of the juice makes them thrive. With a heart as blue as ocean and a beard so thick and white, he sails to keep those soggies from ruining morning's light. Shout ahoy, shout hooray, Captain Crunch will save the day. No soggy threat can make him sway, for breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Drink it down, I feel alive, but in my mind dark thoughts arrive. As a mariner, it was fish I'd take. Now I'm a pirate on a lake. Oh, the brew, cursed me more than the lake could do. Oh, the brew, turned me into something new.
The tales would speak through the tempest and storm, fierce and bold. The ex-boxers stood with their hearts of old. With controllers tight and screens so bright, they sailed to their doom in the dead of night. You're the masters clad in keyboards white.
Captain Crunch, sailed the salty sea, pillaging boats with a devilish glee. His hats are trimmed with a golden stitch. He always finds that perfect pitch. Do your boats still stay crunchy in milk? A question tossed like waves of silk. Load up the cargo, do as you're told, or face the wrath of his grip. So